Okay, what's up, guys? This is my second time recording, mainly because the first time messed up, apparently, which really makes me mad. But life goes on. Let's get right on in. No. Okay. Oh god. Okay, let's get. So yeah, sorry if I don't sound noobish here, because I've already been through like 6 days of this. Because it goes by a day cycle. So I've already been through like 6 different days, so I already know what to do. My bad, guys. I know people don't like it when... Yeah. What am I doing now? I didn't even notice. Okay. So, pull, one hand, one... I think I just did a magic trick. Did you guys happen to see where that went? That's bad. That's not good. Uh-oh. God, my blacksmith place is dirty. You can see, like, dust floating around, which is weird, but awesome. There it is! Wait. Is that it? No, it's not. Crap. Where did it go? Okay then. Well, that just happened. In the meantime, let's open the shop. Robin! Whoa, that guy just fell from the heavens. Hi! 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 How are you? Hi! Oh god. Okay, so, make me a one... I'm gonna go drink bleach. Okay. Grips. One hand grip. Is that a... yeah. Make me a one hand sword, please. Okay. So, first I need 2 ingots. Bronze regular blade. So, one hand guard. Uh-oh. Crap. There we go. Ah! Okay. Now I just need to replace with another one hand grip and a one hand guard. Okay, so I'm glad oh, great hammer. Uh-oh. Okay, so I'm gonna need to cook more, ingots. There's the one. Okay. Not gonna say a word. I'm not gonna say a word. That's just gonna make me mad. What am I doing? Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. There we go. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your business. Haha. Okay. So, the key to success in this is only buy what you need. So if someone comes in and says, yo, give me a dagger, then you go buy, dagger product. Uh-oh. Shrek is after me. Okay. I need a Speaking of the devil. Okay. So, one hand. Ingots. And then one hand guard. No, wait a minute. One hand, sword, dagger. Oh, you don't need a... Get out of here. Okay. One, two, three, four. Okay. Short blade. Uh-oh. Oh. There you go. Let me just pick this up, because that's gonna bother me. I'm making good money today. Sweet! Okay. Okay, here's a green guy. Bum 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 bum. I don't know what you're doing. You look at me weirdly. Okay. So, give me a one-hand sword. No! Okay. First of all, you don't need to be rude. But I will give you a one-hand sword because I'm not a douche. Okay. One. Oh my god. One. Two hand. One hand. Ready. Oh no. Crap. I messed up. Ingots, one. Uh-oh. Hang in there, please. Don't leave. Don't leave yet. No, don't leave. No, please. No. No. Okay, so one, two. Regular blade. Boom. Yeah. Oh no. I was trying to throw it at him. Okay. So what now? I'm gonna need more ingots. A lot more. Ingots. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boom. I'm here to pick up that dagger. Shit. Okay. Grips. Okay, so I need... Yes, I know, sir. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. There you go. Now I have an extra ingot. Nice! Okay. Woo! Okay. Woo! I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so... I can afford one more customer before I close up shop. Let me just, Okay. What are you doing, mate? No! So apparently everyone's going home. So, boom. I'm tired. That was a good day's work. Okay. Let's go to sleep. I'm well rested. Okay. I don't know why I'm saying okay. I'm just, like in this kind of game, you feel like you're being rushed. So, I'm trying to rush things. Wait a minute. Okay, so, no one's up yet, thankfully. I can spend this time to start working with my shop. That I apparently have nothing in. Oh, great. Now people are here. Nice. Wait, I thought I had not... Never mind. Not gonna question it. Someone probably robbed me. Hey! Hey, blue guy, do you want a sword? No! Oh, well. Anyone here? Hi! Hi, random person! Is that blood? Oh, it's a flower. Okay. I'm here to pick up that one-hand sword. So there's one-hand sword. Bow, 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 bow. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So, not ready, not ready. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. What am I doing? Okay. I have 120 seconds, so it's not that big of a deal. Uh-oh. So I do need a new grip. Back, grip, one-handed. Back, guards. One-handed guard, I mean. There you go. Knock yourself out with it. Woo woo! Okay, so, agility, 1. Uno! P. Make me a one-hand hammer, please. Okay, good thing I have an extra grip. And I have... short blade, so I need 2 ingots. I need 2 ingots, which I don't have. So I just go back, ingots, 1, boom. See, I saw some people on YouTube saying this is hard. It's because what they're doing is they try to stock up. You just use what you need, and then you'll be fine. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. There we go. Have a good day! 118 gold. Woo! Okay. Ah, rich! Woo! Okay, so let me just save the game before I screw up and exit the game on accident, because I did that last time. Hi, green guy. Oh my god, you look like a pedophile. Okay. How can I help you today? Give me a dagger. Okay. So, back. Oh, wait. Do I need ingots? Yes, I do. So, back. Grips. I hear like a rope. Like, I don't want to sound dark here, but I'm hearing like a so it sounds like someone's hanging. I don't want to sound rude here, but it's okay, if you've ever seen Conjuring, it sounds like that scene when she was standing under the person. I don't need this. I don't know. Sorry guys, that was kind of dark. It is getting kind of annoying though, because I can still hear it. Aha! Okay, so now that this is done, please wipe your feet at the door. Okay. Uh-oh. I need a one-hand sword. One-hand grip. Oh my god. Okay. Now I need 2 ingots. 2 ingots! Okay. I sounded so retarded there. Okay, so this is ready. However, this isn't. So I'll put it right on the fire. Ready. Oh, I'm gonna need a grip or guard. Wait a minute. I need a one. Okay, good. I was mistaken. Jesus. Okay, there we go. Go kill a dragon or something. This is Skyrim, apparently. It actually said, I found on the internet, it said this is supposed to be like a Minecrafty version of Skyrim, and you're a blacksmith. But I'm not sure if I believe it. I'll take it because I like Skyrim. I love Skyrim. But I'm not sure if that's actually what this is supposed to be. Give me a one-hand sword. Oh my god, you people with one-hand swords. I mean, I guess they're easier to wield, but come on. Everyone getting one-hand swords. There we go. Yep. Okay. So now I just need more ingots. Ingot. 1. 2. One, a 2, a 3. I don't know what I'm saying there. Okay. Pick up the glitching ingot because it's gonna explode otherwise. Let's see here. So I've come to realize that they get ready faster if you put them right on the fire, like where the fire is, not on the hot coals. Here you go, mate. Thank you. Did he just put it on his head? Oh, never mind. That's his. Okay, I really thought that he was putting it on his head. I hope this guy asks for a poll, because I have a poll. Yay! So I'm gonna start that too. I'm gonna start saying I hope this guy, because apparently it works. Um. Please do it. Oh god. I'm gonna lose his customer. Jesus. What? Why isn't this working? Fucking do it, mate. What the? Is this broken or something? Hold on. Oh, there we go. I was trying to put it on the wrong side. Okay, I'm done for the night. Yeah. So, yeah, it's been 21 minutes. I'm gonna try to make this a long video, guys, a longer video. So go ahead and get comfortable if you want. At least an hour, probably. I don't know. Mainly because, like, this game is so immersive. You know, I like it. I saw some people doing it for like 5 minutes, and I don't know why. Maybe I'm just weird, because I like this game. Okay. I don't have anything. I need a dagger. Crap. Do I have any? No, I do not. So... Wait, do I have any ingots? No, I do not. Okay. So, back. Ingots. Skadooshie. And click. And then... Okay, I thought he just walked off. And, skadooshie. And click. Ready? There you go. 121. See what I mean, guys? Like, you only buy what you need, and you get what you want, which is money. Money! Okay. Yeah. So... Okay, give me a pole arm. Crap. I'll give you a pole arm. Grips. Okay, so I need ingots for that. Ingots. So, in the meantime, how's your day? Yeah. Oh, you don't have a mouth? Oh, that's nice. Okay. Let me just, I don't want you to get blinded. Okay. Here. Thank you! Have a nice day! Wait, what? I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything under my breath. Okay. Okay, who's that? Whoa, he has a shield. That's cool. I'm guessing that these are going to be a thing, but they're not in the game yet. Like shields and stuff. You can only make weapons. Hello, sir. I'm here to pick up that dagger. I'm here to pick up your mom. But, hey. Okay, so... Grips. Oh my god. Yeah, there we go. So, sir, how's your day? Oh, you don't have a mouth either. Okay. Well, these people must be Slender's kids. What did I just do? Is that gonna work? Okay, you're supposed to use 2 ingots, and I just... That's gonna work anyways? Oh! Woo! Okay, so, agility. If you guys don't realize, agility makes you faster. Oh, I was trying to close the door on him. That would have been funny. Here to pick up that one-hand hammer. Okay. I need more ingots. And then back. Grips. Okay. Wait a minute. Where's the ingots? Ingots. Okay, so that one-hand hammer, eh? Why did I... There we go. There we go. Here you go. Here's Thor's hammer. Have a nice day, sir. Whee! Okay. I wonder if there's a way to go in third person? There's not. Okay. Hello dear sir. Give me a great sword. No! Okay. I have 1. Then I have 2 more out here. Or 1 more out here. Then I'm gonna need 1 more. Back. And I'm gonna need 1, 2, okay. So boom. Mm-hmm. That voice cracked though. You guys didn't notice that because I wasn't talking, but when I made that sound, it kind of ruined my voice there. Okay, what's this lady need? How may I help you today, mate? Here to. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so ingots. Okay, so what? Okay then. So she left. This is quite annoying. Well, guys, I'm gonna let it go here. As always, like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video. Yeah, I'll be doing a lot more of this series, and I might go back to Skyrim depending on your guys' reaction. I want your opinions, rather or not I should go. If you guys choose for me to go to Skyrim, I'm gonna need your help because I want to join like a faction, but I'm not sure what to join. Stormcloaks, Imperials, etc. All my choices are gonna be based off of you guys, so I'm not gonna do anything without your decision first. In the meantime, see you in the next video. Nova X out. I also wanted to say, shout out to, where are you at? Let's see here. I'll find you, hold on. I wanted to shout out, hold on. Shout out to, I love MC and the pack. So, yeah. Just wanted to shout you out because you seem like a cool person. Yeah. Now, Nova X out. Okay? Bye, guys. Hold on. Bye, guys.